Now we solve question number 3 of exercise 4.2. Question is, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. It is given that the sum of two numbers is 27. Therefore, let one number be x. If one number it be x, therefore the other number will be 27 minus x. The other number is 27 minus x. It is given that the sum of two numbers is 27. If one number is x, then the other number will be 27 minus x. And it is also given that the product of these two numbers is 182. That means product of x and 27 is 182. Product is product of these two numbers that is x multiplied 27 minus x is equal to 182. X multiplied 27 it become 27x and x multiply minus x it become minus of x square is equal to 182. 27x minus x square minus by transferring 182 in LHS it become minus of 182 and is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 27x minus 182 equal to 0. By multiplying throughout equation by minus, it becomes x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. For solving by factorization method, we have to find the factor of minus 27, two factor of minus 27 such that the product of that numbers will be 182 and the sum of that number will be minus of 27. For solving, we will find factor of 182. By dividing 2, it becomes 91 and by dividing 7, it we get 13 and by dividing 13, we get 9. Therefore, factor of 182 is 7, 2, 7 and 13. And 2 multiply 7, 14 and 13. If we take minus 14 and minus 13, minus 14 and minus 13, the sum of these two numbers will be minus 27 and product of minus 14 and minus 13 will be 182. Therefore, we write minus 27 as minus 14 and minus 13. X square minus 14x minus 13x. We can write minus 27x as minus 14x and minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. Now we take x common in these two terms. By taking x common, the remaining is x minus 14. And by taking minus 13 in these two terms, as common remaining is x and minus of 14 equal to 0. X minus 14 and x minus 13 equal to 0. When x minus 14 equal to 0, then x equal to 14. Or When x minus 13 equal to 0, then x equal to 13. Therefore, one number will be 14 or 13. Therefore, one number of them will be 13 or 14, and the other number will be 27 minus x. When x equal to 13, then the other number will be 27 minus 13, that is 14. And when first number is 14, then the second number will be 27 minus 14, that is 13. So the required two numbers are 13 and 14.